Along with the price, Samsung is offering something extra to Galaxy Z Fold 5 users, and we have some exclusive information on the pre-order promotion. The fact that Samsung is offering us such excellent pre-order discounts suggests that the company is prepared to fight with Google for Z Fold 5 sales. If you reserve your Fold 5 or Flip 5 straight away, Samsung will give you a $50 Samsung credit. However, the good news doesn't end there. Samsung will also be giving away additional money when you pre-order the Z Fold 5 and Flip 5. After Google released the Pixel 4, Samsung is now having trouble designing inexpensive phones. As a result, they are attempting to lower the price of the Z Fold 5 to make it more competitive with other budget smartphones on the market, particularly the Pixel 4. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is receiving a new software update from Samsung that is one of the greatest so far from Samsung, One UI 5.1.1, which is being updated in stock applications and flex mode, and also the animation is becoming better. Additionally, Fold 5's updated software, which is based on Android 13, provides users with superior overall experiences. Fortunately, it is now known that Samsung will employ a new water drop engine for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which will result in a flat folded form similar to other portable phones on the market. However, there are a few things lacking from this new hinge design. First, the flex mode may not be identical to the Z Fold 5 mode. The flex mode on all of the previous generation's US Samsung devices is enabled by a free-stop hinge, but this time it will be different and it won't be like a Fold 4. Samsung is thus releasing software upgrades for the Fold 5 to make it functional. Second, even though the Fold 5 has a new water drop hinge, the crease is rather debatable. The Fold 5 crease will resemble the Fold 4's Fold 4 crease. Even if the difference is just 15% and therefore scarcely perceptible, creases are inevitable when purchasing a cheap phone, whether it is a Pixel or a Samsung, and they won't be going away anytime soon. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.